The F-22 Raptor is widely considered one of the most advanced and aggressive stealth fighter jets ever developed by the United States. The F-22 was introduced in 2005 and has since dominated the skies with unmatched stealth, agility, speed, and precision strike capabilities. Originally developed under the Advanced Tactical Fighter Program, the F-22 Raptor was created to maintain air superiority well into the 21st century. What sets the F-22 Raptor apart from other fighters is its combination of stealth and supercruise ability. Its stealth features allow it to avoid detection by enemy radar systems, while its supercruise, flying at supersonic speeds without afterburners, gives it a speed advantage over traditional jets. This enables the F-22 to strike targets before the enemy is even aware of its presence. Powered by two engines, the F-22 Raptor can reach speeds above Mach 2. Its thrust vectoring nozzles provide exceptional maneuverability, allowing it to outmaneuver nearly any adversary in a dogfight. In addition to air-to-air dominance, the F-22 has ground attack, electronic warfare, and signals intelligence capabilities, making it a versatile platform for modern warfare. The F-22 Raptor carries an internal weapons bay to maintain its low radar signature. It typically loads a mix of missiles for air-to-air combat along with precision-guided bombs for ground targets. It also includes a Vulcan cannon for close-in dogfighting. All of this is housed inside its sleek, angular airframe that minimizes radar cross-section. Despite its superiority, F-22 Raptor production was limited. Only 187 operational aircraft were built before production ended in 2012 due to high costs and shifting defense priorities. The jet's unit cost was estimated at around $150 million, and its maintenance requirements were equally expensive. However, it remains a key pillar in the United States Air Force's strategy for air dominance. Now, as global threats evolve and rival nations such as China and Russia develop their own fifth-generation fighters, the need for a new class of air superiority aircraft has emerged. The United States is currently working on the Next-Generation Air Dominance Program, an initiative to develop a sixth-generation stealth fighter that will eventually replace the F-22. The next-generation fighter will be built with a system-of-systems approach, including crewed and uncrewed aircraft, advanced AI, enhanced stealth, adaptive engines, and new weapons. It will be designed to dominate contested environments far beyond what the F-22 Raptor can handle today. The new aircraft will likely feature longer ranges, more sophisticated sensors, enhanced networking with other aircraft and systems, and even directed energy weapons like lasers or microwave systems. Though the F-22 has no equal in today's skies, its age is beginning to show. Limited upgrades have extended its service life, but its radar and electronic systems are not as advanced as those on the newer F-35 or upcoming next-generation fighter designs. In combat scenarios involving next-gen threats or electronic warfare environments, the F-22 Raptor limitations could put it at risk without support. Despite this, the F-22 Raptor will remain a critical asset through the 2030s. The U.S. Air Force continues to upgrade its radar, cockpit displays, and data link systems. It is expected that the next-generation fighter will first deploy in the early 2030s and gradually take over the F-22's air dominance role by 2035. The F-22 Raptor represents the pinnacle of fifth-generation fighter jet development. Its unmatched stealth, speed, and lethality make it one of the most formidable aircraft ever built. However, as the future of air combat becomes increasingly complex, the F-22's reign will eventually give way to the sixth-generation fighter, a new era in American air power designed to ensure dominance in the skies for decades to come. In addition to its combat capabilities, the F-22 Raptor also plays a crucial role in joint military operations and exercises with allied forces, showcasing United States air dominance across the globe. It frequently participates in deterrence missions in the Indo-Pacific and European regions, reinforcing U.S. presence amid rising geopolitical tensions. Furthermore, its combat data continues to influence the development of future technologies, including the next-generation fighter program. Even as the world looks forward to sixth-generation platforms, the F-22 Raptor remains a symbol of U.S. technological excellence and battlefield supremacy.